Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the activity data transfer in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity and second activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the main activity's layout. And activity_second.xml file, which is the second activity's layout. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button, go to the second activity. And in the activity_second.xml file, we just have a text view, second activity. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the button is clicked, this is how we navigate to the second activity. And meanwhile, we put some data in a bundle and pass that data along the navigation. These are the imports. This is the second activity. In the onCreate function, we retrieve the data that has been passed from the main activity and show that data in a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the activity data transfer in Kotlin Android. Thank you.